Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use CoinSpot, one of Australia's leading cryptocurrency exchanges. CoinSpot allows users to buy, sell, and trade a wide range of digital currencies. To get started, you will need to create an account on the CoinSpot website. First, navigate to the CoinSpot website and click on the Sign Up button. You will be prompted to enter your email address, password, and other personal details. Once you have completed the registration process, you will need to verify your account by providing identification documents. After your account has been verified, you can deposit funds into your CoinSpot account using a variety of payment methods, including bank transfer, PayID, and credit card. To deposit funds, navigate to the deposit page and select your preferred payment method. Follow the prompts to complete the deposit process. Once your account has been funded, you can start buying and selling cryptocurrencies. To do this, navigate to the markets page and select the cryptocurrency you wish to buy or sell. Enter the amount you wish to buy or sell and confirm the transaction. CoinSpot also offers a range of advanced features, including stop-loss orders and limit orders. A stop-loss order allows you to set a price at which your cryptocurrency will be automatically sold if it falls below a certain level. A limit order allows you to set a price at which you wish to buy or sell a cryptocurrency. To ensure the security of your account, it is essential to enable two-factor authentication. This will require you to enter a verification code sent to your phone or email in addition to your password when logging in. In addition to buying and selling cryptocurrencies, CoinSpot also offers a range of other features, including a wallet to store your cryptocurrencies and a newsfeed to keep you up to date with the latest market news. By following these steps and using the features available on CoinSpot, you can easily and securely buy, sell, and trade a wide range of digital currencies. Remember to always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. With CoinSpot, you can take control of your cryptocurrency investments and start building your portfolio today.